guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you yet another video about Truly Beauty. So I've actually been trying more products from the brand, and I also wanted to give you a quick update on the products that I've used and what my thorough thoughts were after months of use. One is completely empty, one is almost empty, and then the others are ongoing products that I've been using. I do want to say quickly thank you to Truly Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Yes, this is a sponsored post, but of course I'm always going to give you my honest feedback. And honestly, I wouldn't have taken a sponsorship with a brand that I didn't actually love. And that will be the case on my channel always. If you're new here and you're just checking out this video, when it comes to anything that I am getting paid for, just know that it is something that I already know and love. Otherwise, I won't be doing it. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get into it. I also do have a coupon code for you guys. So if you want to go shop with Truly Beauty, you can use the code TrulyAW5 and that will get you a discount on any of the Truly Beauty goodies that I talk about and anything else on their website. So that's really exciting. Also, just so you guys know, that is not a commissioned code. It's simply just a code for you guys to have a discount. I'm going to give you a quick little update on the products that I've already used. I will go ahead and stick my other Truly Beauty video up here so that you guys can check it out if you want to see my initial reaction to it. Now, I've used everything already that I'm going to be talking about. These are not like just a one-time first impression. It's like weeks of use or months of use. So keep that in mind. So first off, one product I finished and I actually went ahead and recycled. Sorry, I didn't save the bottle. It is the Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum. I'll stick a picture right up here so you can see it. It had CBD and it also had other ingredients to help give your skin a glow. It was very gentle, very mild on my skin, and just overall left my skin feeling really plump and bright and very calm as well. Like anything with CBD, obviously, if you have irritable skin, it will help with that. But for me, I do a lot of like chemical exfoliations, physical exfoliations, and things like that. So it's really nice to have something to calm the skin afterwards. The other one, I'm almost done with this. Well, actually, this is like a long-lasting product. Keep in mind their cleansers are 8 ounces. That's a lot of product for a cleanser. Also, I typically use 2 cleansers in a day, like one in the morning and one at night, because my skin wants something a little bit different. So this is the one I've been keeping in my shower. It is the CBD Jelly Anti-Acne Cleanser. When I first got my first little round of Truly products, I was actually having a lot of breakouts. So I got this and a couple other products that are really good for it, and thank goodness it has really saved my skin. Also, something really different with this versus most acne products is this did not dry my skin out, and most of them absolutely do 100% of the time. This one does have salicylic, but it also has CBD in it, and it also has agave and vitamin A, so it's got lots of like skin loving ingredients. Also, a few things like overall about the brand that I've been loving is they are all cruelty free. All of their products, they make sure to give you recyclable packaging, which I love. Nothing worse than like having a number 5 plastic that honestly, where I am, there's nowhere to recycle them. So everything is really easily recyclable. I love that, and have really good ingredients as well. These I actually already repurchased. These are the Treat Breakout CBD Acne Patches. Now again, I was having some massive breakouts when I first started using their products, and these were amazing. I have already repurchased, like I said, and I am down to my last sheet of my second box. Luckily, I only have one breakout right now, and it's one of those like under the skin ones. These are amazing for under the skin breakouts. I feel like they just draw everything out, but also it just goes away so fast. Like my breakout will be gone like that in like one night of wearing these, or like severely diminished. So I love these. This product I love, but I'm kind of like hoarding it for some reason. You ever have those products where it's so good that your mind is like, ooh, save it for a special occasion or something, which is so silly because it's only going to work if you use it. But this is the Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Butter. Now, the thing that I was a little surprised about this one, oh, it smells so freaking good, is that it says whipped, and I was expecting something really light and airy, but the good thing about it is it actually comes out almost like balmy, like it's swirled and whipped in there, but it's actually kind of balming, and a little bit goes a very long way. So that tiny bit is like coated my arm. So when you get this, you will not be disappointed because you're not going to go through this super fast. Another reason why I don't know why I'm hoarding this product, but the Body Whip, it smells freaking amazing. This one also has 300 milligrams of CBD. Now usually when the milligram is that high, the price is like astronomical, but this is really reasonably priced. So it has CBD, matcha, cannabis sativa, acai, and collagen. So many good things for your skin. And the last one that I got in my first little round of product is the Golden Leaf Resurface and Brighten CBD Face Mask. As you can see, I put a dent in it, but I still have a ton of this product. You don't need a lot. I've only been using this about once a week. I tend to like cycle out different masks for different needs, but this one's really good to kind of smooth out the complexion, brighten the skin, and again, it has 300 milligrams of CBD. If you're looking for some CBD skincare, but you don't want to pay like an arm and a leg, definitely check out Truly, because everything in the CBD like realm that I've tried, I've really loved. All right, now let's get down to business. I have 5 new products that you guys have not seen me talk about. This time I just picked products like based off of whatever I just wanted to get. So it's a little bit of a mixture this time, whereas before I had a lot of like CBD products. It's a good mixture. So first off, let's talk about the cleanser. You can see I have put a dent in it. By the way, their products when you get them are like slam full. There is no like room in them. And this is the Super Matcha Facial Cleanser. This one has green tea, witch hazel, avocado, coconut, and vitamin E. Again, vegan, clean, high performance, animal cruelty free, and it is harsh chemical free. So with this one, if you are someone who is sensitive, your skin is very dry, or if you have just issues using a lot of cleansers out there that have, you know, sulfates in them and they dry your skin out so easily, definitely look into this one. It's so mild and it feels amazing on the skin. So this one's actually aloe based and it has vitamin C, vitamin B12, literally so many good ingredients, which I already listed a bunch of them for you. And this one's really good for actually reducing inflammation in the skin, calming the skin, balancing the skin. It does so many good things and my skin feels so comfortable afterwards. It actually feels hydrated, not like a lot of cleansers that really strip your skin down. This one will not do that for you. And the crazy thing about this one too is that it does all those like calming, hydrating things, but it actually helps to clarify the skin as well and reduce pore size. So they've really put like the best of both worlds together with this cleanser. I like this personally when I wake up and my skin is, you know, good from my good routine from the night before, but I want something to just kind of like refresh the skin. This does it without stripping. Or if you have irritated skin, oh my god, it's so good. I had a really like strange reaction to some like microdermabrasion that I had. I think I just went like too crazy. When I went to clean my skin the next time, I was like, oh, I don't know, like what should I use? So I went ahead and tried this out, and I had only used it a few times at that point, and it was so calming, so soothing. I really loved it. I'm sorry I'm like gushing a lot about that product, but it's so good. Next up, I also got the Matcha Scrub. So this is a whipped face scrub, green tea, matcha, dead sea salt, and vitamin A. So with this one, I will say when I first got this out of the packaging, I was like, wow, that seems kind of coarse. Like it is a scrub, but you can see I put a dent in it. It smells really fresh, by the way, like just something refreshing about it, but not like overly perfumed. So I was like a little skeptical. I'll just be 100% honest. I got it out of the packaging and I was like, ooh, this seems like it might be rough on my skin, where I don't use a lot of, you know, coarse scrubs. I use a lot of chemical exfoliators. So, you know, I was like, we're gonna see how this goes. It's a lot softer when you get it on the skin. It has sugar in it, which kind of starts to like break down and soften when you get it wet. And the more water that you use, the more gentle it will be. So I can definitely see myself using this on the body, but I love this on the neck and the décolleté as well, because you want something, you know, a little bit more coarse for that area versus the face. So I love this for my neck and my chest. I would still say the exfoliation with this is gentle. My initial like concerns, I was not concerned about after using it once. I was like, oh, okay, no, this is much more gentle than I thought it would be. And of course, it's going to leave you with your skin feeling a lot smoother from getting rid of all the dead skin cells. But it also definitely, like, my pores looked amazing after I used this. Pleasantly surprised that like I didn't have to be concerned about how coarse it was. It just felt really good on the skin. I got Purple Rain, and I love the name, like it's super cute. But this is the Glow Serum Facial Booster. Now this one's got retinol and glycolic acid in it, as well as antioxidants. So antioxidants, of course, are going going to help fight like free radicals and other damaging things to your skin. Retinol, of course, is really good for lines and wrinkles. Glycolic acid will gently exfoliate the skin. So this does a lot. It's called a glow serum. It's more like the consistency of a thin oil, which I really love. Please ignore my swatches, but you can see a good sheen to it, but it's definitely a lighter weight oil. So if you're someone who is oily and you're like, I don't know about using oils on my skin, I feel like you would really love this one because it sinks right in and it just leaves your skin feeling amazing and looking like it's got a fresh glow to it. So yeah, this one kind of does it all. Exfoliation, helping with fine lines and wrinkles, it'll tighten pores, and it leaves your skin feeling amazing and hydrated and comfortable and soothed and just everything. You can see I've already put a dent into this one as well. So it'll be like my first step on dry skin at night. And yeah, I love it. My skin's been feeling amazing. And that is what I've been using over the past 3 weeks. I don't want to say 3 weeks I've been using this stuff. My skin's been doing great. Apart from that one random like hormonal breakout, I've not been breaking out. I feel like my skin is looking better than ever. And I've had questions lately like what kind of skincare I use, you know, here and there. And I've been like saving, you know, this for my video. So I haven't been talking about it a lot. But it's so good. So, 2 more products. We have the Truly Glass Skin Facial Serum. Now this, I was surprised when I saw that name. I was expecting like a serum in a pump, but this actually comes in a little jar. And let me tell you, I've only put a little dent in this because it was like overflowing over the top. Like they do not skimp on the product at all. You also only need a little bit. So I'm going to show you, like it looks like it might be creamy. It sinks in so effortlessly and so quickly and literally is like a serum to your skin. So your skin's gonna drink it right up. So this one uses natural ingredients again to give you a very mild exfoliation, but literally leaves your skin with that like sheen on it. Does not look oily. It's like a freaking glass skin sheen. So again, it's hydrating. It also gives you that glow to the skin, and it's got a lot of like very nourishing ingredients in it. So I was surprised at how quickly it sank into the skin and felt like a serum. I was expecting something maybe a little bit heavier with the ingredients that it has, but it's just like made into this perfect texture that feels so light on the skin, but very nourishing. So I love that. This one again also helps with redness and inflammation, which I think is helping my skin more than I realized at first, because I've noticed my skin hasn't been as red lately, and I think it's like the combination of using these products. You guys can probably see too in like videos over the past few months when I've been using a lot of Truly Beauty. I feel like my skin has been a lot calmer and I don't see as much redness flare up. I mean, I get red anytime I use something to like massage my skin if I'm cleansing or exfoliating, but like actual redness that stays in the skin, I almost have none now. And I feel like these products have just been like vibing well with my skin, so thank goodness. The last product is probably the most fun product that I've tried from them, and it is so cute. It is called the Star Kisser Jelly Lip Plumping Mask. So that is the front of the label, but look at the little jar. It is filled with stars. It's so cute. When I used this for the first time, I didn't have like high expectations, because lip plumpers to me, they do a little bit, but it's not anything crazy, but it actually plumped my lips really well. I want to point out too, the ingredients are really cool because you literally have aloe vera, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, peppermint, vitamin C, plant-based glitter, and cayenne. And I was like, okay, all of those natural ingredients, are you kidding me? But this is so cute. So I want to show you guys like what it looks like in the jar. And you can see I've dipped in quite a bit, but I would think this is amazing for when you really want to plump your lips up before doing your lips or doing your makeup. After one use, my lips were like plump and smooth, not like insane. It's not going to be like over the top or anything. You'll get like that nice little tingle, and when you rinse it away, your lips just look like fuller, like little pillows. Whereas I usually have like, you know, little lines in my lips that you can see, just that's how they are, but it kind of like plumped out all the lines and just made them look smoother, a little teeny bit plumper, and it's a really fun mask. So it does help to like minimize the lining around the lips. I love to coat like the edges of my lips with it too, and just give that overall plump look to the lip line area. So it'll help with those little lines and temporarily plump the lips up, but it also has the hyaluronic acid and other ingredients that help to nourish the lips as well. So it's not going to leave you feeling like, okay, my lips are plump but now they're like dry and burning. It actually feels really comfortable when you wash it off. I didn't feel the need to put a lip balm on afterwards. It just felt comfortable. So that's all the Truly Beauty products that I've tried. I think that's 10 products in total, and I have yet to find anything that I don't love. I'm very, very impressed because within any brand, you typically always find things you love and things you don't love. That's typical because all of our skin is different. We all have different concerns and ingredients that agree with our skin, but I have been extremely impressed with Truly. So I had to share with you guys, and when they offered to collab with me a second time, I was like, absolutely, of course, because I had such a good experience the first time. But I want you guys to know, like, these are just my honest opinions. I wouldn't be saying them if I didn't believe them. And yeah, if you want to check out Truly Beauty, be sure to use that code TRULY8W5 to get a discount on your products. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Truly, and thank you guys for being here with me and hanging out, and I hope you are doing amazing. I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys!